Thanks for the tremendous response to our previous video on how Playtomic leads the billion-dollar paddle sports market. We are now back with another one. In this video, we'll walk you through a paddle tennis app developed for our esteemed client to show you exactly how everything works. Stay tuned till the end if you want to enter the paddle tennis app space. So let's dive straight into it. Once the user opens the app, it is incredibly easy for them to get started. They can quickly sign up using their phone number with a secure OTP verification process. Once verified, creating an account is straightforward, requiring the collection of essential details such as name, date of birth, and email address. The app allows users to customize their profiles and playing preferences for a truly tailored experience. From uploading a profile photo to setting playing preferences such as dominant hand, preferred court size, and match type, the app ensures every user's experience is unique. These details help in matching them with suitable courts and coaches. Finding the perfect court or coach has never been easier. The app's home screen provides quick access to nearby courts and popular options. Booking a court is a streamlined, three-step process. First, users select their preferred court type and duration. Then, they choose an available time slot from the intuitive calendar interface. Users can then choose their preferred court and duration. When the user taps on Pay Now, all booking details are clearly presented for review. Users can opt to pay in full or even split the bill with friends, a fantastic social feature that encourages group play. Adding friends to split the payment is seamless, making group bookings a breeze. And with discount coupon integration, users can enjoy even greater savings. Once confirmed, the booking is complete and users receive immediate confirmation. Users can create a private match with friends by specifying the match type, inviting friends, and by mentioning the date, time, and location. Similarly, they can create a public match. The app's integrated search functionality allows users to find courts and coaches. They are free to filter the results based on the distance, price, and amenities. Users can then make their choice and proceed accordingly. Finding a coach is easy with the app. Users can explore detailed profiles of coaches, including their experience, ratings, and reviews, empowering them to make informed decisions. If the user wants to book a private lesson, they can choose the duration and select their preferred time slot. There is also a subscription option that allows users to enroll in bulk sessions. Users can then check out, view their booking details, and make the payment. There's the option to add and remove friends from the bill with a single tap. The app provides comprehensive user management and settings, enabling users to have complete control over their experience. From updating personal details to managing preferences and notifications, the app ensures a truly customizable and user-centric platform. The app isn't just for players. It's also a powerful platform for coaches to expand their reach. Coaches can easily enroll themselves by choosing their sport, club preferences, categories, and entering their basic details. They need to upload their resume with their professional and social media links to further enhance their visibility. The app offers subscription models for coaches, providing access to premium features and increased exposure on the platform. Upon successful completion of all steps, coaches receive a confirmation that they are officially registered on the platform, ready to connect with players and grow their business. It is quite easy for coaches to go to their profile and switch to coach mode. They can view their earnings and recent transactions, create slots to take bookings, and manage their booking calendar. It is easy for a coach to link their bank account with the app by entering their bank details. Users also have the option to toggle their in-app and email notifications. The app features a dedicated messaging system for players and coaches to communicate directly, whether it's for lesson inquiries or booking confirmations. The notifications section keeps users updated on all activities, from new booking requests to schedule changes. With an integrated calendar view, it is easy to keep track of all upcoming sessions. The app enables coaches to create private lessons, set the hourly cost, number of participants per session, and timings. Similarly, they can create subscription plans and edit the location of the sessions in the booking slots. Building on the calendar functionality, the Manage Calendar feature is a powerful tool that enables coaches to take complete control of their schedules. Coaches can view all their confirmed bookings at a glance, with details such as the client's name, club, and activity. This clear overview helps them stay organized and prepared for each session. What's more, coaches can easily mark a full day as leave directly from their calendar. This instantly updates their availability, preventing any new bookings from being made on those days. This paddle tennis app is a comprehensive ecosystem designed to enhance the experience for players and coaches alike. Its intuitive design, powerful features, and seamless user journey make it a compelling solution for anyone in the sports tech industry. If you want to build a similar app, reach out to us and we at Idea Usher will help you with it. From enterprise software to next-gen blockchain applications, our team having 10+ years of experience delivers scalable and robust solutions to help businesses succeed. We have 1,000+ happy clients, including leading global brands like Gold's Gym, Mogo, EQL, and BuzzTime. Connect with us to discuss your app requirements.